Hi guys, it's Greg and Cynthia. Another video for you today. It's a very special day as we're going to take Dad to a little town called Uxbridge. They're honoring him today with the naming of a street after him, and also we're going to be dropping by Elgin Park to honor the Remembrance Day. So come along for the ride. I hope you enjoy what you see. There's Dad there. He's all dressed up. He's got his Queen zone on and getting ready to go. Are you ready to go, Dad?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I'm going to put the camera down and we'll hit the road, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Hey! You can't tell me I'm a bank robber now with this on. Yeah. Mom, we're gonna I'd like to get a picture of you with you.
You okay?
Yeah.
Good.
So how are you people?
I'm good. Family's good. Everybody's good. Lots of veterans coming today. The people in the town are gonna drive around and salute all you guys. We can get you to just
Stand under there. That'd be great.
come around this way.
Dad's good friend Jack Ballinger from the Legion has forwarded his name to a street naming commission, and it was accepted. So Dad's name is in print. Memorialized on Harry Thornton Lane in Uxbridge, Ontario. I can't thank Jack enough for his kind thoughts and thinking of Dad and honoring him in this way. It's fantastic. Do you want to give a salute? There you go. You want one of those, Jack?
Sure.
Okay. Hey, Dad. If you'd salute again, Jack will take your picture again.
Okay, how about you and your wife getting in beside your father?
That would be wonderful. Thanks, Jack. Just gonna make sure I get that oh, there we go. Okay, that's it for now.
Hey!
Hi there. Yeah, we're with Jack.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Thanks.
We're at Elgin Park.
Hey there, people. We're out here in Elgin Park today. We brought Dad down. He's got his name in print. We took here earlier just by his street. They named a street after him. That's pretty extraordinary. We're celebrating Remembrance Day early this year, and that's just because, of course, of COVID. We're not allowed to have the large gatherings as they usually do. But this is a controlled, socially distant remembrance today. And here we are. We've got Dad, and they're going to be having a parade. There's Dad's name in print again. And you want to say something for the camera, Dad?
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
How do you feel, Dad?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I feel ready to sleep.
Well, will you? Maybe they will salute to you, no? When they pass by the cars and everything. I'm so proud of you, Dad.
What coffee time?
Yeah.
Yeah, you used to come in once a week.
Yeah. We have our own table.
Here at Elgin Park. See lots of veterans here. A memorial to the veterans. Those who fought in the war. Served the country of Canada. They're giving them honor. Sorry? She told me that she was doing this for you guys, so we definitely wanted to have you all of it. So thank you for
He's taking a little walk around. There's Jordy here. He's got his lovely motorcycle. It's commemorative of WW2, and you can see some beautiful Spitfire, the freedom fighters from Britain, from the UK.
Yep.
And Jordy served with
Royal Logistical.
Royal Logistical. So thanks very much, Jordy, for coming out and supporting our local veterans here today. And thank you for your service. It's a beautiful motorcycle.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is the beginning of where the procession meets our service people. Thanks for your service. We will remember. Good day, sir.
How are you?
Very good, thanks. Thank you for your service. What kind of vehicle is this?
This is an AM General 5-ton wrecker.
A 5-ton wrecker, so that's for cleaning up after the fray, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. Mr. Bob. Ontario Regimental Museum. It's like a people or munitions mover. A mobile mess.
Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for your service, Mr. Allen. Thank you for your service, Dad. Thank you for coming.
service, sir. You're welcome. And Doris Clark, thank you for your service, Doris.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hi, Tracy. Thanks for your service. And we got Mr. Norm Godspeed. Thank you for your service, sir. And Heidi Cushing, thank you for your service. Thank you for your service, buddy. Thank you. This must be Ron. Thank you for your service, sir.
Oh, thank you for coming today.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you for coming out and enjoying the day with us. Yeah, it's beautiful. Gorgeous day out.
And Gene Fisher, thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you very
I
much.
think we're setting some kind of record here today. Cheryl Hodgson, thanks for your service, Cheryl.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you very much. Well, Joseph, thank you for your service, sir. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
Jim Kenny, thank you for your service, sir.
Well, you're welcome.
It's a lovely day.
It's our pleasure.
It's a wonderful turnout.
We requested the weather about 3 weeks. You guys are great, so we'll give you a good sunny day.
Fantastic. Enjoy.
Take care.
Thank you. Jack McQuarrie. Hello, Jack. Thank you very much for your service, sir.
Yeah,
Much
it was the
appreciated.
thing to do at the time.
I know the name McQuarrie. We have some family friends with that name.
Oh?
Are you from Canada or UK?
No, no. Well, UK earlier on.
Earlier on.
1802.
Well, there you go. I think that must have been your dad then, not yourself, or your granddad.
No, I don't know. I think my great-great-grandfather
Great-great-granddad.
was born on the way over.
Fantastic. What regiment did you serve with?
I didn't. Well, I served for a Studebaker.
Nice.
I owned 2 of those.
Enjoy your day. Thank you. This must be Barry and Lynn. Thank you for your service, gentlemen. Much appreciated. This must be Mr. Jim Parks.
Yeah.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
Is that a Queen's Own you got on there?
Oh, it's a Winnipeg rifle.
Oh, Winnipeg Rifle.
Yeah,
There
the
you
little
go.
Black Devils. You're welcome.
Thank you for your service, Tim.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. That's to be Mr. George Rops. Thank you for your service, George. Much appreciated.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Something nice about an old pal.
There's Mr. Alan Stevens. Thank you for your service, sir. Much appreciated. And last but not least, here we go, Mr. Harry Thornton. Thank you for your service, Dad.
You're welcome, son.
Well, we've been here for about an hour, and the cars are still lined up and apparently still coming in. Quite a turnout today. Let's go over and see how Dad's doing. There you go. The flags are blowing in the wind, and there's Dad enjoying a little snack. How are you keeping, Dad?
I'm amazed at all of the people.
Yeah, the number of people that came out. That's awesome. It's a really good idea. Are you okay for food and such? Are you thirsty or
I'm okay.
good? You're warm enough? Good.
Thank you for your service.